Welcome into this edition of UNA Week in Review presented by Lions HR. I'm Brandon Lewis. The weather interfered with many of the games that were scheduled this past week. Find out what action did take place right after this.
Hi, I'm Bill Lyons with Lions HR. If you own or operate a small business, then you're aware of the growing number of challenges affecting your profitability. And if you're like most companies, the most expensive challenges are often people-related. At Lions HR, we've helped hundreds of business owners who were frustrated with the rising costs of payroll, workers' compensation, employee benefits, and the ever-increasing number of employment regulations. There's a better way to manage your human resources. Find out how working with Lions HR can improve your company's profitability.
The North Alabama men's basketball team routed the Union Bulldogs for the second time this season on Thursday, 93-70. 5 players reached double digits as Nathan Spear led the Lions with 20 points on the night. Marcus Landry added 19. Meanwhile, Calvin Dade registered another double-double with 16 points and 10 rebounds. John Fletcher poured in 14, and Brandon Herman recorded UNA's first triple-double in 7 seasons with 10 points, 10 rebounds, and 10 assists. UNA then traveled to rainy Memphis on Saturday to face Christian Brothers University. UNA wasn't able to hang with the Bucks in the second half as they pulled away for the victory 98-82. The loss drops the Lions to 12-15 overall and assures UNA the 8th seed in the upcoming Gulf South Conference tournament. Calvin Dade led North Alabama with 21 points and 10 rebounds, giving the senior 4 straight double-doubles and 11 now on the season. The University of North Alabama women's basketball team traveled to 23rd-ranked Union University on Thursday night. The Lions had a hard time shutting down Amy Falumley, who scored a career-high 42 points and leading the Bulldogs to a 97-84 win over UNA. Jennifer Town led 4 UNA players in double figures with 24 points and 12 rebounds. Freshman Jessica Brown connected on 4 three-pointers and finished with 18 points. Then on Saturday, Makina Randall and Jennifer Town turned in a double-double as the Lions defeated Christian Brothers 72-61. The victory gives the Lions a 14-11 record on the season and clinches the number 5 spot in the upcoming GSC tournament. UNA will play at 4th-seeded West Georgia on Tuesday, March 3rd. Randall finished with 17 points and 10 rebounds. Jennifer Town added 13 points and 10 rebounds on the afternoon. It was a tough weekend for North Alabama baseball and softball as rainy conditions forced the cancellation of the conference series at Delta State. The games will not be made up. Officials from both schools tried to move the 3-game series to different times and different locations. In the end, however, sub-freezing temperatures followed by rain throughout the southeast left no choice. The University of North Alabama men's and women's tennis teams also had to postpone their home opener against Christian Brothers, originally set for 1 p.m. on Sunday. UNA baseball will now host Trevecca Nazarene on Wednesday at 2 p.m. The softball team will be back in action this weekend with a 3-game set against GSC foe West Alabama. UNA men's and women's basketball teams will close out the regular season at home on Saturday against UAH. Tip-offs are set for 1 and 3 p.m. on Senior Day at Flowers Hall. Thank you for joining us on this edition of UNA Week in Review presented by Lions HR. I'm Brandon Lewis. Stay up to date with the Lions by heading to RoarLions.com.